How to verify your Upwork account. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So verifying your Upwork account is a straightforward process designed to confirm your identity and ensure the security of the platform for all users. So first of all, you need to access your Upwork account by logging in and using your registered email address and password. So go to the profile icon and then tap on account settings. From here, go to contact info and make sure that you have given the correct form of your email address and all the necessary information that you have entered in your Upwork account. If you see the verification request, click on it to initiate the verification procedure, and this will guide you through the subsequent steps. Next, you will be prompted to upload a valid form of identification. So for that, you need to take a selfie or participate in the brief video call with an Upwork representative, and this is an additional security measure to further confirm your identity. So simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Finally, after you've submitted all the necessary information, you will need to wait for Upwork to review your submission. The approval process typically takes around 24 hours, but it could potentially take a little longer time in some instances. You will receive a notification once your account has been successfully verified. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.